How can you control diabetes? So when we talk about carbohydrates, we all know that cereals as a fruit give us more benefits than having as juices. You cannot replace any meal with fruits. Protein is a very important part of our diet. The benefits of protein. Namaste. I am Hema Arvind. I head the Department of Nutrition and Dietetics at Ramaiah Memorial Hospital. Welcome back. So, to end what I was speaking about, I thought a very interesting topic which all of us face every day and don't know how to avoid it or what to do about it. So I'm going to talk about junk food, junk I would say, which is, becoming very popular. So again, as I did in my previous episodes, we have the green here, go ahead, and we have the red here. Even the tray is red to say stop, okay? So all of us would agree that this is what we all like, our tongue likes. Do you all agree with it? Yes. So when I'm going home and I'm tired and I don't want to make anything after I go home, but I want a snack because I will be hungry, what do? Just the previous episode I told you. I would stop anywhere and go for a burger. And there are a lot of people who say we use burger which is made with brown bread or which has whole wheat in it, because you have all these options. Everybody comes out with different options to sell their products. And then, the burger, the filling, I look for a healthy one, but at the end, whatever it is not something. And also if you look at, okay, I agree, it's made with wheat, it's not maida or white flour, the filling is very healthy, it's got vegetables or it's got some non-veg in it. If you're a non-vegetarian, lots of vegetables and greens in it. But then the calories which goes into it, because for our tongue, if I just take, a bun which is made with wheat, and then put some vegetables in it and give it to you as a burger, nobody is going to take it or buy it, right? So I have to add certain things to make the tongue like it and make me buy it. So the calories is what we count. So always understand what we take in and what we spend out. The calories in and calories out is what is the balance. It's like our bank balance. So every month, 5th of the month, my salary is credited. I'm very happy looking at the balance. But as the month proceeds, I'm spending the money and the balance goes down, and almost when I'm nearing the end, balance would be very little. The same holds true for what we do with our calories. If I keep on taking calories and not spend it, like not exercise or do anything, that calorie is going to be stored as my account. And that is not the bank account, all of you believe me, or it's not cash. It's going to be converted to fat and gets deposited in different parts of our body, and in the end that is what is going to cause us problem and end up with different issues. So always we have to balance, so that imbalance, calorie in calorie out balance has to be there. So if for a day, someday, okay, you want to eat burger, no problem, but then make sure that night the dinner which you have has to be less in that much of calories. But we do not do that. We will say, oh, I ate burger at 6, now it's 10:30, it's 4 hours back I ate. It doesn't matter, and I again eat the same quantity of dinner which I eat every day. Or if there is something nice that is made for dinner and I like it, I eat more. There comes your calorie imbalance. So these are what I would call as junk. This is your burger, everybody's favorite, the French fries. So I normally would not eat this, but I have seen, if when I've gone out or I visited some place where they're selling this, that with the burger comes sone pe suhaga, as they would call it, right? With the burger comes your French fries to add to the calories which is already more. Or there is everybody's favorite, pizza. Okay, now there are people who say same, I am going to use the wheat crust, I am going to use this, but at the end you are not going to eat only one slice of pizza, you will end up eating more, again your calories. Popcorn, Corn is good for us, but not this way. So you can just boil the corn, and normally in our hospital we have a salad which is called as corny bean salad, which has got all, like it's got pulses like rajma, chana, and then it's got corn, lots of vegetable, which is a healthier version. I haven't shown it here, but I've kept some things which are green here. Then the smileys, understand these are all frozen, kept frozen, so we don't know when it's been made, kept frozen, and then deep fried. So again I would say sone pe suhaga, adding cream to it, not good. So these are what is taken as red or danger, and these are what you could replace. So instead of having your burger, you could have a sandwich which is made with wheat bread but which has got paneer or some healthy filling, or you could have a sprout salad, or you could have your bhel puri with sprouts, which is again a better alternative. You have to again do mindful eating. Do not look at your tongue. Yes, you want to have a burger, have it maybe once in a while on a cheat day, but do not do it regularly. That's why the sales of some of the places are going up, because we all want that, ready to eat. Stop, you need not even on your way back, stop and make an effort to get down, and you have these counters where you just drive in, or you sit at home and at the, I would say you Swiggy whatever you want. Okay, so that's becoming very common. Even in Swiggy, if you have healthy alternatives, you don't want to look at it. You always want to go and say that today I don't feel good. So another thing you all should understand, food is something which we all go to or look at or want to eat when we are not well, we are depressed, we are sick, or not in a good mood, or when you are happy, when you are excited, or something good is happening to you. Both extremes is food. There are some foods which are called as comfort foods, which could be a big piece of a chocolate pastry. It's always sweets, something which is sweet, because sugar gives you that high, right? So you know that, understand that, and try and avoid that. Even if you want to do, stop with a small, let us say a small bite or a small helping, maybe a spoon of something which you like, and then do not even look at it. You should not be saying that, okay, today I'll have, from tomorrow I will avoid, and that tomorrow will never come. So all of us every new year have, we'll make that, what do you call it? From this year, I will not do all this. And after January ends, we are back with whatever we were not supposed to be doing. So please, friends, do mindful eating. Be very careful. Look at what you are eating, and then, yes, be happy, but then at the same time, do not overdo things. Moderation in everything is what you require. Be happy. Eat what you want, be happy, because if you are not happy with what you eat, it's not going to help you. I hope you have understood it. Again, I would say red, danger, and green, go ahead. Thank you.